How to delete all videos on TikTok. So if you want to delete all of your videos on your TikTok, then first you need to open up your TikTok application and log into your account. Make sure that you are logged in. And after that, go with the profile option, which is on the bottom right, and go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Go with settings and privacy. Under your settings and privacy, you need to scroll all the way down and tap on report a problem. Once you tap on report a problem, you just need to simply choose an option, which is videos. But if you don't have that, then you can go with the account and profile and choose any option that you're comfortable with. Tap on other and tap on no and go with need more help. And it will take you to the TikTok help desk or TikTok report a problem page. Once it takes you to the report a problem page or help desk, you just need to simply write the message. You need to write, I want to delete all of my videos in my account because I don't want them on TikTok anymore. So can you please help me fix it? And after writing that, you can simply go with send, and you can also upload some screenshots if you want to. And after that, you will get the mail from TikTok on how you can delete all of your videos, and you'll get some help. So that's the only way to delete all of your videos on your TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.